Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Larry if you're new to the channel. Here boondocking near Lake Alamo, Arizona. Well, I don't know if Lake Alamo is Arizona, but Lake Alamo is in Arizona. but camping right next to the lake and just got a cool spot. Can't ask for better weather. And I'm getting actually ready to go on a little adventure, something I've never done before. And of course, I'm bringing you guys with me, but just got to finish up breakfast here and throw a few things in a bag, and we'll get right into the adventure. So stick around. There's Mason Boy, huh? Want to say hi to everybody, buddy? Just up here enjoying the morning with the breeze blowing through the windows. I always break the curtain open like that and then open the sides so he can look out. It's kind of like his fort. He likes to look out over everything. Huh. Yeah. So I know you can't see, but there's actually a camper over here. I'm camped right next to somebody. I don't normally camp near people, but this is somebody that's actually been in a couple other videos. A few of you guys might recognize who it is. I'll take you out there and introduce you here in a minute. But yeah, been here a few days at the lake and just lucked out and got a perfect spot. Um, it was very actually kind of difficult to get their RV back here because it's a lot bigger than the one I have. But we made it, and it has been a lot of fun. It's been kind of hard to make this video. I've been trying now for a couple of days to get started, but it is hard to like break away from good conversation to turn a camera on. I'm determined to get it done today. There's the view from my door. So it's been really nice. We have this whole peninsula right here, just kind of to ourselves. You actually have to drive right through the camp in order to get down here. So we haven't had a single person come down here. There's my kayak. I actually already got out on that and tried it out a little bit. I do have some video footage of that I'll show you, but this is actually, they call it Alamo Lake, but it's actually a reservoir. So there is a dam over here holding all the water in. And then over here, there's some, I think there's a river, a couple creeks, washes, whatever, that kind of feed into this. And it's a pretty good sized reservoir. I think that the deepest point, you're looking at a couple 100 feet. And the fishing here is awesome. Actually, I caught two of the largest bass I've ever caught in my life here a couple years ago. And they have like bass fishing tournaments here, which they actually had one yesterday, I think it was. No, 2 days ago. They had a bass fishing tournament here. There was probably 80 boats on the lake. And yeah, it was just kind of a cool sight. I've never seen an actual tournament happen. They all came from the boat ramps down here, and I guess they just had a starting time, and they all went all the way to the other side of the lake where it's shallower, and I guess that's where all the bass are at. I haven't been out to fish yet at all, but I do plan on getting the kayak out to do a little fishing. But for right now, I'll introduce who it is that I'm camping with, and we'll get started on this little adventure we're going to do today. Okay, so here is who I'm actually camping next to. Some of you guys may recognize him. This is Thad with the Journey Church. He also has a YouTube channel, and you want to talk about that for a second?
Sure. It's on YouTube. It's Your Jesus Journey, and we teach the Bible and travel all over the United States and Canada and film in some pretty epic locations. And all of it is just kind of sharing our life and sharing our adventures and trying to help people understand the Word and learn how to follow Jesus and have some cool Christian community. So that's kind of the heart of it.
Yeah, and we did a video not too long ago. I'll actually put it right here, this video. Uh, and it's really cool. We ended up finding like an abandoned gold mine. I think it was a gold mine, but went inside and checked it all out, and probably one of the coolest mines I've ever been inside.
It was really cool and very sketchy.
Yeah. So today we're gonna go and see if we can't find something equally as adventurous to go and explore and find. But instead of taking the Geo Tracker, which you see back there, we're going to take Thad's off-road toys, which are these two different looking bikes. What are they, Thad?
These are the mighty Honda Ruckus 49 cc's of screaming off-road adventures coming your way.
Yeah, other than the fact that I got on one for about 4 seconds in a parking area or a gravel lot, I've never ridden one of these, so I'm kind of curious what they're going to be like. They look like a lot of fun, and can't ask for a better day for it. It's pretty nice.
It is, yeah, it is beautiful. The weather's nice. A little breeze on us will be good. Pack up the pups in our little dog backpacks on our, we're two big dudes on teeny tiny scooters going through the desert. I mean, it's, if nothing else, I promise you'll be entertained.
Right? All right, well, let's get these things loaded up and get on the road.
Sounds good.
Be just like Tucker. Get in there. Okay, stay right there. Nope. Hang on.
Look at this.
Let's see what Tucker looks like here. Oh, he's excited. Wait, is there a forward gear or just... I guess I should have asked. Oh, just a guess. Okay. Okay. I've ridden motorcycles, but these are kind of difficult on the off-road. A lot different configuration or whatever. I don't know, for a motorcycle. It's kind of hard to balance on these things. Oh. Oh, no. Nah, I can't do that. I'm gonna fall, man. If it's just me, it'd be different, but I can't do it with him. Huh? Huh. Man, these are hard.
It's not like a dirt bike at all. It's literally like trying to ride a Vespa off-road. And then with your feet in the middle, it's just awkward.
It's hard, yeah, it's hard to balance. I keep wanting to like sit like this. All right. Let's see what this 50 cc's has. Get back up this hill. That's all it's got. We made it. Woo! Ah. Wait, where's the start button? On. There we go. Nope. Something. So we made it back to camp. We kind of gave up on the little Ruckus bikes. Now we're just in the tracker. We saw a cool place we want to go check out, so we'll take this there, and I think it'll be a little easier. And
yeah, the red Ruckus was quite unhappy, not running right.
yeah,
Larry was leaving me in the dust. It was getting embarrassing, getting beat on my own ride. All right, let's see if we can catch air off the top. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing you didn't launch. The road turns at the top.
we found a little sandy area. We're gonna just mess around here with the tracker and see what she's got, I guess. Still running, so that's a good sign.
This little thing is actually pretty amazing. How well it handles all this stuff.
That's the transmission slip.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't say too good at stuff. It's like we're doing donuts in here or something. Oh. So I think we're running a little low on transmission fluid. Every time we go up a hill, it starts slipping. Top port's good, I think.
Yeah, let's go back out there. There's some cool saguaros out there. I still don't know if I can say it right.
Saguaro. Oh yeah, saguaro.
Saguaro. I call them Soros because you get near one, it makes you sorrow. I think that's why they're called Saguaro. Donkeys. Or burros right up in front of us. See that one black one right up in there?
Oh yeah.
Alright, we're gonna
Creep in.
sneak up on them. Yeah, they definitely will not hear the brakes.
Yeah.
We can. Somebody tipped them off.
Well, it's definitely piqued my curiosity. I kind of want to look and see where some of these trails go and make a plan next time, because I didn't realize how cool the trails they had here.
Makes it look like nothing.
Escape.
There's some three-wheel drive in there for a second.
Absolutely.